Instant help with your ticket rebooking using the Swiss Chat Assistant. The Swiss Chat Assistant helps with questions concerning your flight at any time. For example, if your flight has been cancelled at short notice and you would like to rebook, it's really easy. If your Swiss, Lufthansa, Austrian Airlines or Brussels Airlines flight unfortunately had to be cancelled at short notice, we will inform you in the Swiss app via text message or email. Select the option Check Rebooking to go directly to the Swiss Chat Assistant. Here you'll find a free alternative flight quickly and easily. Select Find Alternatives and rebook for free, and enter your booking code and your last name. You will then get information about your current booking. To rebook your ticket to another flight, select Search Alternative Flight. You'll now receive a selection of other flights. Simply swipe from one to the next to see all flights. To find out more, click on View Details. Have you found a suitable flight? If so, click on Continue Rebooking and complete the process by clicking on Rebook Now. Finally, you'll receive an email confirmation of your rebooking. That's it. Easy and without waiting times. The Swiss Chat Assistant is available 24/7 with more services. Please visit swiss.com/chat.